And joining us now is one of Conrad Murray's defense lawyers, Michael Flanagan. Mr. Flanagan, good morning.
Good morning.
Some of the words we heard yesterday from the judge: horrible doctoring, a danger to society, a disgrace to the medical profession. Too much?
Way too much. He was very harsh in this case. He acted like it's an intentional act done by Dr. Murray. At the best case scenario or worst case scenario, depending upon how you're looking at it, it was an unintentional accident.
Michael, how's your client doing this morning?
I haven't talked to him this morning. We're going to see him in a couple hours, but based upon my interviews with him last week, he's doing okay. He's resigned himself to his position, and he'll come through it.
I know he's spoken in public, gave a public interview, but he's not spoken in court. Any plans in the near future for him to speak at all?
Well, he hasn't really given a public interview. He gave a private interview.
That was broadcast publicly. But yes, understood.
But no, he has no plans to speak at this point in time.
How long do you think, given the California overcrowding situation in jails, how long do you expect him to serve?
I don't know. I've gotten conflicting reports on that. 2 weeks ago, Lee Baca said that due to overcrowding, they were going to have to release some of the nonviolent offenders that weren't a danger to the public. And he said, obviously, Conrad Murray is not a danger to the public, and he'd probably be on that list of early releases. On the other hand, yesterday, his a spokesman for Baca indicated that Conrad Murray is a danger, kind of mimicking the judge's statement. So I'm not sure what the position's going to be of the Sheriff's Department.
Do you think your client is in danger in jail?
Well, he would be in danger in jail. There's an element in jail that somebody might want to might think it would enhance their position in the environment to take out Dr. Murray or do some harm to Dr. Murray. So they do have to keep him away from the general prison population.
Finally, Michael, what do you think your best grounds are for appeal?
We've got several grounds. There's sequestration issue. We lost a couple evidentiary issues. We weren't allowed to put in the financial condition, the fact that Michael Jackson was $400 million in debt. To show desperation, we weren't allowed to subpoena Dr. Klein. We were instructed we could use his records, but we couldn't cross-examine him on whether or not they were valid. We've tried to analyze. There's a bottle in evidence that contains some propofol. An analysis of that would show whether or not the prosecution's theory was true or not. If it's 100% propofol, they wouldn't have a case. If it's only 90% propofol, that would validate their infusion theory. Judge hasn't let us analyze this evidence. I do not know why. He doesn't care what the truth is, but we're going to pursue that in the appellate court.
All right, we'll be watching. Michael Flanagan, we appreciate you coming on this morning. Thanks very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.